Acorns Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Acorns are in the description below. Acorns is a user-friendly robo-advisor designed for individuals who want to start investing with little effort, especially ideal for beginners. Acorns uses a unique approach called roundups, where it automatically rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's made for people who want to grow their wealth passively without having to dedicate significant time or money up front. It's an excellent fit for those with small amounts to invest but looking to gradually build their portfolio over time. Features: Acorns offers automated portfolio management with a variety of pre-built portfolios designed to match risk tolerance and investment goals. The platform invests in a mix of ETFs across stocks, bonds, and real estate, providing diversification with minimal effort. Its signature roundup feature automatically invests the spare change from your purchases, so you don't even have to think about it. Acorns also offers recurring contributions, where you can set up automated daily, weekly, or monthly deposits to steadily grow your portfolio. Another key feature is financial advice through Acorns Later for retirement planning, and Acorns Spend, which combines investing with a checking account. Additionally, Acorns offers a cashback rewards program, where you can earn bonus investments when shopping with partner brands. Strengths: the biggest strength of Acorns is its simplicity. The roundup feature makes investing easy, and the platform is perfect for individuals who are new to investing or those who prefer a hands-off approach. With low fees and automatic investing, Acorns removes the hassle of active management. The diversified portfolios provide a solid mix of asset classes, and the option for retirement accounts like IRAs makes it a great all-in-one solution. Weaknesses: one drawback is the monthly fee for access to the service, which can be a bit high for accounts with low balances. Also, while Acorns provides a solid investment strategy, its limited customization may not appeal to more experienced investors looking for more control over their portfolios. Final verdict: Acorns is a great option for those who are new to investing or want a hands-off approach with small contributions over time. The roundup feature, low fees, and automated portfolios make it incredibly accessible, but the lack of deep customization and monthly fees could be a concern for some. Overall, it's an excellent tool for building wealth passively with minimal effort. For more details, check the links in the description below.